Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about neural networks, but with a twist. We're going to be using kitchen utensils to explain the concept. Sound interesting? Let's get started. This whisk is like the mixer in a neural network. It blends and combines all the ingredients or data to create a uniform mixture or input. These measuring cups represent the input layer of the neural network. We use them to measure and portion out the ingredients, just like how the input layer receives and processes the initial data. Now let's talk about the hidden layers of the neural network. Think of the oven as the hidden layers. This is where the baking or computation happens. The data is transformed and manipulated to produce the desired output. And finally, the cooling rack represents the output layer. Here, the final product or output cools and sets. The output layer generates the final results of the neural network. And let's not forget about the activation function. This spatula is like the activation function, transforming and shaping the data as it moves through the neural network. Lastly, this recipe book is like the neural network architecture. It provides the instructions and blueprint for the dish, just like how the neural network architecture determines the structure and connections of the neural network. So there you have it. Neural networks explained with kitchen utensils. I hope this video has helped you understand this complex concept in a fun and relatable way. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.